Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following factors weaken Indian rupee against the US dollar in international market? 1. Higher crude oil prices in international markets. 2. Increase in foreign portfolio investment inflows into Indian markets. 3. Widening of India's trade deficit. 4. Increase in the interest rates by the US Federal Reserve. Select the correct option. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 2, 3 and 4 only. Statement 2 is incorrect. An increase in foreign portfolio investment inflows strengthens the rupee by increasing the demand for Indian assets and reducing the demand for dollars. Statement 3 is correct. A widening trade deficit means higher imports than exports, which increases dollar demand and weakens the rupee. Statement 4 is correct. Higher interest rates by the US Federal Reserve attract investors to US assets, reducing foreign investments in India and weakening the rupee. The Indian rupee drops to an all-time low of 87.43 USD amid the concerns of global trade war. Which of the following statement best describes albedo effect? A. The increase in Earth's temperature due to greenhouse gases. B. The process by which solar energy is absorbed by Earth's surface. C. The measure of how much sunlight is reflected by a surface back into space. D. The circulation of heat between the atmosphere and the oceans. Answer is option C. Albedo is the measure of how reflective a surface is. It is a measure of how much sunlight is reflected by a surface back into space. Albedo effect is one of the prominent factors responsible for warming of Arctic 3.8 times faster than the global average. Thank you.